Hello, kids! Welcome to Kids Genius.
Apple, apples, juicy and red. Bananas, bananas, peel and smile. Oranges are round, roll them on your head. Grapes, grapes, bounce up high. Fruit salad, yummy yum. Fruit salad, fun, fun, fun. Let's all clap and stomp our feet. Fruit makes us strong. 1, 2, 3. Strawberries, strawberries, tiny and sweet. Pineapples, pineapples, spiky and tall. Melons are big, give them a hug. Peaches, peaches, wiggle down low. Ooh, who loves bananas? Monkeys do. How about you? Fruit salad, yummy yum. Fruit salad, shake your bum. Jump and cheer, hip, hooray! Fruity fun time every day.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.